Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that your messages are not sending on TikTok and how you can fix that. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on your profile in the right bottom corner, or you simply need to click on inbox. So here you can see that I'm trying to send a person a message, but I'm unable to send this person a message because this person does not follow me. If that person follow me, I am able to send him or her message. And the other process, you simply need to click on your profile, then you need to click on three bars, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of free up space. Click on that, and you simply need to clear cache. Once you clear cache, you simply need to go back, and after that you need to open your smartphone settings. So let me open that. Okay, and here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the TikTok. Okay, and here you can see the option of storage and cache. And the first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you done that, you are able to send message on TikTok. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.